Hi Wolverine, this is Harry.
Emily.
Ryan.
And Shakur.
And this is RTV News. Woo!
So as I know, we're here to get shocked, Shakur.
I'm not here to get shocked, but my mind is here to get blown, though.
We'll see.
So who am I here with today?
I'm Miss Jenks, not the English teacher, but the physics teacher.
And what is this class?
So this is physics class. We've got 5 sections. Last year we only had 2, so pretty excited about that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what are we doing today?
So this experiment is with the Van de Graaff generator. And so what happens with a Van de Graaff generator is there's a belt that takes away the electrons. So the dome is positively charged. So since the charge covers the dome, because like charges repel each other, the charge covers the whole dome. So when you're touching it, your hair gets positively charged and it repels as well. So if you can get enough charge on there, it will make your hair stand up.
And are we going to try that today?
We sure are.
Well, let's get to it. Oh my gosh, I can feel it. I can feel it.
Ooh.
Go and shake your head. Shake, 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 shake. Whoa, my hair's standing up.
Oh, shoot. Oh, I can see. Oh, wow. It's really sticking up.
No, literally. Your bangs. Are you turning red? Oh my gosh.
Okay, go ahead and shake some more.
Shake, shake, shake. Oh my God.
Am I done?
Crazy.
Harry, are we done?
Did you get it?
Now
I hear
Now
you.
she's done.
you can shock someone.
You can, as long as your hair's up.
Yeah. Hi guys, this is Harry. Emily, what's wrong with this pumpkin?
Apparently they're going to light these pumpkins on fire, right?
Fire.
No, light them as far as having. The pumpkin's gonna light a light bulb.
So like
pumpkins
an
are
LED?
The pumpkin becomes the battery to light the light bulb.
Oh, that's interesting. I want to see that. How would a pumpkin light a light bulb? That's something to
Physic.
think about. You know, I think I might join physics now.
Yeah. So Miss Jenks, what's the future plans of this class?
Well, upcoming, after we do electricity here, we're going to be working on designing a car. We're going to be making roller coasters. And then another favorite last year, we had Kovar's martial arts come in and teach us some martial arts so that we can actually feel momentum and impulse with our bodies. So we're going to learn a little martial arts. We're going to make some musical instruments. And we're going to Great America. So we'll actually be able to feel the different forces on our body on the roller coaster. So that's what's coming up in spring.
What's your favorite part of being a physics teacher?
Well, basically, I am bought toys and paid to play with them. It doesn't get any better. Plus, I have people that want to play with me too.
Hey Wolverines, November 11th is Veterans Day. Stay home to appreciate your veterans. Woo! Go Wolverines!
Hi Wolverine, there is a winter sport information night at November 12th, 6:30 p.m. It's going to be in the big gym. If you're going to play any winter sport, be there or be square. Winter sports are pretty cool. Go join teams, have fun, and make friendships. Woo woo! Go Rosemont!
Hi, my fellow Wolverines. I hope everyone's doing good today, as am I. As you can see, I'm trying to stay cool during this very weather. But as you can see, it's looking very windy around here. It's going to be mid-60s, maybe a little higher than that. So if you're planning on going out this weekend or on Veterans Day, I advise you to bring a jacket because it will be very, very cold.
Hey Wolverines! There's a Prospective open house on November 13th at 6 p.m. in the library, so make sure to be there.
I said, ooh, it's cold in here. There must be some Wolverines in the atmosphere. I said, ooh, it's cold in here. There must be some Wolverines in the atmosphere.
And that was Shakur.
Ryan.
Emily.
And Harry.
Thanks for watching RTV News! Woo!